Hi, I'm Jason from 7Kim Media, and I'm willing to bet that figuring out new ways to drive people to your site and increasing sales keeps you up at night. I mean, you've tried everything, right? Search engine optimization, social media, skywriters, door-to-door, hot air balloons, monkey tricks. You even read a book on voodoo. Don't pretend like you didn't. And now your website guy comes up to you and he's like, "Well, shucks, boss! I just found out you need videos on your site to take it to the next level." To which you say, "Listen here, nerd. I've had about enough of your chicken bones and hobnobbery. I swear if you weren't my wife's favorite nephew, I'd take you out back and beat you with a hose." I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but in this case, and I mean this case specifically, your wife's favorite nephew is right. You ready to have your mind blown? Websites that have YouTube videos embedded in them are 48 times more likely to get a #1 result on a Google search. Really? I didn't stutter. You see, videos engage people and make them spend more time on your site. When the magical, mystical search fairies, which is logically the only way that Google can do what Google does, are flying around the interwebs looking for sites and ranking them, the longer people stay on and the more they engage with your site is a major factor in where you get ranked on a Google search. I only mention Google here because they are by far the #1 search engine. Do you know what the #2 search engine is? YouTube. YouTube is #2. 70+% of Americans say they watch product videos, reviews, or instructional videos on YouTube before deciding to buy a product or service. You have products and services, right? Yes, I do. Do you have video? No, I don't. Well, there you go. Right about now, you're probably saying, "I like the cut of your jib, but how does it all work?" It's all very complicated. We make the video, and then we put it on the internet. I'll spare you the technical details for now, but I can say we're gonna do some stuff to your video that's basically indistinguishable from magic. Look, we know you're busy doing what you do best. Otherwise, you'd be like one of those other 50% of companies that fail in the first year, not sitting here watching this trying to figure out how to expand even more. Let us work our magic for you. Because you know what? We're good at what we do too. I would just like to point out that you are currently on my site watching a promotional video for my company about making promotional videos for your company. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, you know there's no good reason for you not to do this. So fill out our form, tell us a little bit about your company and its goals, and let's get started today. I'm Jason from 7Kim Media. Thanks for watching.